Good day guys and welcome. In this video very quickly and shortly I will show you how to use Interactive Broker's account on TradingView. So basically if you want to start trading on TradingView but use your account on IBKR, you just need to connect that account first. So just of course make sure to create your account so that it's set up and ready. Also log in your browser, and now after logging in into the TradingView, as you can see we are now in our home page, where we can see the prices of different stocks and the market. And guys, just pretty much launch your panel right over here so that you can see everything, the charts and stuff. And in the interface, as you can see guys, we have the tools on the left, on the bottom, on the right. So what you're looking for is the trading panel. Click on this. And as you can see, in here we have the paper trading, which is, to test the waters, and the connections to other markets, right? So in here, we also have all brokers, and in here you can search for the Interactive Brokers. So let us search. Okay, so I found it. Here's the Interactive Brokers, 4.4 stars. Click on it, and now, as you can see, you can connect the Interactive Brokers to your TradingView and start trading with it. Press on Connect. You'll be taken to Interactive Brokers. In here, you can choose whether it's going to be live for real money and paper, which is the demo account, whatever you want to choose. If you want to, for example, test the waters, just like I said, choose paper. If not, choose live, inside your username and password, and then you can connect and use your Interactive Brokers on TradingView like this. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, leave a comment, and click on that notification bell.